Welcome to Lensol LQ Pet Feeder. These automatic pet feeders come with a two-way filter and double stainless steel food bowls. Can divide meals equally and feed your multiple pets at the same time. Large transparent removable food storage container can hold 29 cups. Through easy to program meal times and portion, the Luke automatic pet feeder helps take care of your pet by feeding to on schedule, so you can rest assured no matter where you are. In meantime, you can keep your friend connected. The voice recording as feeding all the way. Programming is easy following the included written instruction. This amazing feeder have many useful and excellent functions. They all need to best by the highly quality to feed your pet accurately and regularly up to 6 meals every day. The previous setting, even if the feeder loses power, easy to use. This feeder was exactly what we need while we were out. By this my cat a bit difficult to feed her exactly apart around work schedule. With this I can make sure meals on. I just give her cup of food a time. I really like to feature better portion sizing and more programmer meals. This automatic pet feeder you to feed your schedule per day and up to portion per meal. This automatic dispenser gives you to the peace of mind that your cat will always have food on time. This pet feeder change the game. It allows feed our pets or work out for short portion. Please use the original power. Change the use of food or long dispenser for my it perfect size and functionality. Did want to buy a huge food dispenser, so this one is great for my needs. This help my simplify cat feeder many times. With this I make sure that always have its food. Is very easy to pet feeder to make this feeding calls when away. Programming is easy flowing included written instruction. This amazing feeder have many useful and excellent functions. They all need to best by the high quality to feed your pets accurately and regularly up to 6 meals every day. You can run on off individually for each meal. This automatic pet feeder has a double power supply design. We provide a power adapter in the original packing. It also supports 4D size battery not included in the package. We highly recommend you to use both power supply to ensure your pets get feed even though there is a power outage. It's because the other feeder over the floor, but this one of all food stay in the bowl. It's super easy to set up as well. Would recommend this pet feeder is able to set up to meals day and use different portion size for each. We need a cat feeder to help with portion control. For our cat feeder is perfect. It allows to set the feeding time, the portion was each time, waste filter and double stainless steel bowl.